Hi, love. I actually wrote a song today. I wrote a song especially because of a ukulele. Cameron let me borrow one. His. But, yeah. I'm borrowing it for today. I know how I would play this on guitar. So, even after this is gone, and if I don't get my own, I can play it on guitar. That makes me happy. Okay, oh, very special news. Very special happiness, especially for me, because this will be new news for me. 4 to 10, probably. You'd probably be able to come over from 4 to 10. I love that. Like, I can pick you up and either you get picked up or I drop you off. Either way, I'm happy. I'm really happy by that. On Saturday, 6 hours. We were expecting to get, like, hardly any, and then, boom. Because my mom got times wrong with, with the college thing, and we're actually in at 3. So, happiness. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna play the song now, and this hair is right here, really annoying me. But yeah, see that hair flippy thing that you talk about? Like, oh, it's so cute. I think it's annoying today. Okay. There's an atom bomb escaping the sun. I know you can't control it, and I know you wouldn't stop it again. There's another way to hear the split on your palm as your heart floats away in the dark night. There's red lights, it means don't fight. It's alright. All we need is faith. You have to believe. I do believe that everything's strong to fall apart. You'll find a way that everything is able to stay in your heart. Or you can just wait for me to start your beautiful, wonderful heart again. You'll be alright. I've put up a fight to say that I can see you stay and never go away. I'm there for you whenever you call, but when I need you, you've been there from the start. Why don't you stay? 'Cause I'll even beg so you can always say, is this fair love? All this true love? Why did I know of? Are we falling up and away? In our hearts always seem to fly and sway all across the air, and everyone seems to fear of our exploding hearts. There's an atom bomb escaping the sun. Why can't you control it? I know you won't stop it again. There's another way to hear the split on your palm as your heart floats away. Dark nights, red lights, please don't fight. I'm alright. It's alright. I'm not sure if I was in key or not because, yeah, I just wrote it. Don't judge me. Oh, I like it. I think it's cute. It sounds cute. But maybe there's an atom bomb escaping the sun. I know you can't control it. I know you wouldn't stop it again. Wow, that probably could have been a lot better. I'm gonna post this one and make a new one too. Alright, love you. Bye.